This next exercise we call a pendulum swing to forward lunge. What we're going to do here is use the momentum from those dumbbells. Now we're going to use light dumbbells for this. We're going to use the momentum from those dumbbells to create tension and energy absorption in the body. So how do we take the energy that we use to move, stop it, and redirect it safely? And this is an exercise that's great for ACL prevention, leg day, or even just trying to practice your coordination and athletic ability. So we're going to start by having a safe pendulum swing. We're going to have the right foot forward because we're going to lunge with the left foot. So we're going to get a nice rhythm going and make sure that we come up into this bicep curl position as we come down into that lunge. And then as you press off that front foot, you're going to come back into that pendulum swing, driving off that left quad, being able to absorb that energy and redirect it safely into the next movement.